You stole this from Marcus. I am done with you. Get out!
This town only remembers winners.
In Chef Town, one rule decides everything. The best cook rules all L.
Almost ready. Just a little more heat. Perfect.
Marcus, this is incredible. You are a true chef, son.
Cheftown Academy wants YOU, Marcus.
I am so proud of you, son.
In Chef Town, the best cook rules all. But Leo was invisible.
3 months, and I finally got it right. This is MY recipe. Every word. 3 months of work. Thank you, Leo.
A FUL scholarship. Marcus, I knew you were special.
I did it! That's MY notebook. I wrote that recipe. Every word.
You stole this from Marcus. I am done with you. Get out!
This town only remembers winners.
They took the notebook, but they didn't take the recipe. Two cups of broth, 1 pinch of saffron. I remember everything.
Sir.
I can cook for you 1 meal. Then pay me in vegetables. A little more heat. Almost there. THERE. That's the one.
Look at that! A street kid playing chef!
Go home, loser! Oh wait, you don't have one.
I earn honest money. I have nothing to hide. Can YOU cook like this? This is
Ray?
incredible.
Who taught you to cook like this?
I taught myself. No one sees me, but they can taste me. That's enough for now. Enough for tomorrow. Just enough. One day at a time, Leo. One day. That smell.
Stop me 3 streets away.
Is there?
Any left, boy?
It's the last bowl, but you can have it. I made enough today.
Saffron.
2 pinches, not 1.
And you used cold broth.
Interesting.
Who taught you this recipe? No one teaches cold broth technique to us.
Nobody taught me. I just wrote it down. 3 months. Every night. By myself.
You're sleeping outside tonight, aren't you? Come with me, boy.
I don't know you, but you tasted the truth. That's enough for me. This is the most beautiful kitchen ever. Is this really for me?
Put it on, Leo. This kitchen has one rule. Cook with everything you have.
Chop the onions finely, get that deep color, then the marrow bone goes right in for the flavor.
Better than the market, but you're still hiding. Cook like nobody can take it away.
Day 10.
His hands already know things his mind doesn't. This boy is ready.
Grand Chef Tournament. I want your name on this. You are ready, I am certain.
The soup doesn't know you're 9, and neither does the truth. You are a chef, Leo.
The whole town is watching. That's okay. I've cooked alone. This time, I cook for real.
Don't cook F or them, Leo. Cook because it's YORS. They will feel the difference.
Contestants, you have 30 minutes. the best dish of your life.
Bijan!
Cold broth first, always. Then saffron, 2 pinches. Just like I wrote it.
That's it, exactly it. Same as the night. I first wrote it.
This is the recipe. The REAL. 1. This year's Grand Chef is a 9-year-old boy. Leo Halkus Table 3.
Just keep moving, Marcus. Head down, do the job. One night. That's all.
Grand Chef. Should have been me. I had that recipe, Dad. I HAD it.
I'm ready.
I think.
No, I know I am ready.
In Chef Town, the Grand Chef walks first. Everyone else steps aside.
Is that the Grand Chef? He looks so young.
Face? No. This is I Am Possible. Leo?
The boy they threw out walks past them now. He does not look back.
By Chef Town law, the losers must serve the Grand Chef and say, "The Grand Chef is greater than me."
He actually did it, Dad. Leo is the Grand Chef. The Grand Chef is greater than me. Leo is the Grand Chef.
The Grand Chef,
Is greater than me.
my son.
Is the Grand Chef.
Want to read something? I wrote it 3 months ago. Nobody can take what lives inside you.
Cold broth first, 2 cups. Saffron, 2 pinches, not 1. Simmer slow, 30 minutes, exactly.
He remembers Amasa, every single word. I knew it, boy.
He really wrote it.
We were so wrong.
And that is MY Recipe. Every word, every night. MIN.
Leo!
10 days. I wrote everything I saw. This belongs to YOU now, Leo.
Day 1. His hands already know. You saw me from the very first day. Nobody ever saw me before you.
Thank you.
Chef Arlo.
I don't need them to say sorry. I already have everything I need.